everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change AOL mail format. To change or customize the format of your AOL mail, here are a few options you can relate to. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in mail.aol.com to end up in the AOL website. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're signed into your account, go to your inbox and click on the settings button on the top right hand corner of the inbox. Now you can go ahead and select your message layout from the options. Go ahead and choose one of the message layout options that you want to view your inbox with, and then you will be able to select and change the message layout inside your inbox. You can also customize your inbox style by clicking on more settings from the pop-up and then click on viewing email. Inside your inbox style, you can switch your inbox style to either the unified inbox or the new or old email inbox. The unified inbox will display all of your email in one place, whereas the new or the old inbox separates them into different folders. Go to the appearance option on the top of the screen, and from there you can also customize your theme and layout. Select your theme and layout for your messages. You can select between the list, right or bottom option, and you can also select appropriate inbox spacing. And finally, after you are done, you can get back to your inbox and you will be able to see that you've successfully customized or changed your AOL mail format. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.